the movement to make the Philippines a province of Spain. Okay. Okay, so with regards to our current government system, all right. So the government right now is in place because of the Americans and the Europeans. Okay. So we're not really sovereign. The truth is we are under foreign influence operations. Okay. So unless you understand that reality, you will never grasp why the Philippines is always in a chaotic, no progress disposition. Okay? Alright, Spirit told me that there are certain things that we need to address in order for this country to improve. Okay? So, alright, you have to understand from the previous discussions that I have with regards to who really owns this planet, the thing that we can do as the people who live in these islands is to make things better for ourselves. It's already bad enough that we are under a massive hierarchy rule within the system. Now, we cannot avoid the system because the system is part of this reality. But we can improve the system. Okay? So like in in my computer science perspective, you can just patch the system. So if there's any vulnerability, try to patch it. Okay? So if you try to fight the system, it's a losing battle. And that's the reason why the divine encourages changes, slow changes from within. Okay, slow changes from within. Alright? So one thing that they highlighted was, okay, listen, okay, this is not my opinion. This is coming straight from the divine. Okay, this is divine guidance. So one thing they highlighted was, voting is no longer benefiting the Filipino people. Okay? And the current constitution is no longer working toward